Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञानवारिधि। आज हम 9 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। वर्ल्ड ज़ूनोसिस डे is observed every year on which date? It is observed on 6th July every year to commemorate first vaccination administered against a zoonotic disease like Ebola, avian influenza and West Nile virus. Which edition of Indo-Pacific Business Summit was organized by CII in partnership with External Affairs Ministry? It was its first edition and it is a 2-day summit which has started on July 6th and end yesterday, that is on July 8th. Who inaugurated Virtual India Pavilion at 74th Cannes Film Festival recently? It has been inaugurated by Prakash Javadekar, Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting. He says that he hopes the novel coronavirus pandemic ends soon and people came back to the theatres. Department of Justice commemorated the milestone of crossing how many beneficiaries under its Tele Law program recently? This number is 9 lakh. We should know something about Tele Law program also. So it is a technology enabled platform by Government of India where people can seek legal advice from lawyers through video conferencing available at the common service centers. Who became the brand ambassador of Khadi Prakritik Paint? Nitin Gadkari is the brand ambassador of Khadi Prakritik Paint and he inaugurated the new automated manufacturing unit of Khadi Prakritik Paint in Jaipur, and this paint is made up of cow dung. Who has been named as the new Vice Chancellor of Maharashtra University of Health Science recently? This is Madhuri Kanitkar. Who has topped ICC Women's ODI player rankings for the 8th time? It has been topped by Mithali Raj, who is the captain of women's cricket team in India. Who has launched the online course mobile app Matsya Setu for fish farmers recently? This app has been launched by Giriraj Singh, and this app was basically developed by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture. Richard Donner, who died at the age of 91 years, was a well-known director. Odisha government has approved how many major industrial projects recently? It has given approval to 5 major steel projects, and these projects are Tata Steel in Jajpur, Bhushan Power and Steel in Sambalpur, Jindal Steel and Power in Angul and Rangta Mines Limited Steel Project in Kionjhar and Dhankanal district. The Trafficking in Person Report 2021 is released by which department? It has been released by US State Department. Indian Army has named a firing range at which place after an Indian cinema actress Vidya Balan? It has been named in Srinagar. Navagaon Nagzira Tiger Reserve is located in which state? It is located in Maharashtra. Who has inaugurated the Coven Global Conclave? It was inaugurated by Narendra Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister. Recently, in which state the 4th phase of Pradhan Mantri Awas Gram Yojana will be implemented? It will be implemented in West Bengal. Which company's CEO has resigned recently? It is Amazon's CEO Jeff Bezos. Which airport has started Operation Pravaha? It has been started by Cochin Airport to save the airport from flood. Who has been elected as the new president of Kho-Kho Federation of India? Sudhanshu Mittal has been elected as the president of Kho-Kho Federation of India. Where will the 52nd International Film Festival be held? It is going to be held in Goa. Recently, who has written the book called India to the Rescue? This book has been authored by Sushant Singh and Shruti Rao. Recently, who has authored the book The Fourth Lion, Essays for Gopal Krishna Gandhi. This book has been authored by Venu Madhav Govindu and Srinath Raghavan. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर ये वीडियोज़ आपको पसंद आते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माई चैनल. थैंक यू.